So, wanted to show you today a couple of things. Number one, my pancake holster that I build at concealedgunleathers.com. This is my .22 caliber Carl Walther P22. But more importantly today, I wanted to show you that the wallets I build at leatherchainwallets.com are going to last you for a lifetime. The way I want to explain it to you best, that the quality, the durability, the construction is bar none, that, that you can carry it in your back pocket for the rest of your ever-loving life, is by shooting it with a .22 caliber bullet from about, I'd say, roughly 15 feet, 20 feet. Leatherchainwallets.com. They're pretty cool. Some are embossed, some are tooled, some are plain. Basically, it's just veg tan leather. I've been carrying this one for about a year and a half. Here's a chain hook. Couple of snaps, keep it shut tight. Oversized bifold, which is what this one is, holds all your stuff. I'm not going to shoot my crap, so I'm pulling my junk out. And because if you don't dig, you don't tig. But I'm going to go hang this up on my nail, on my backstop here. And look, the deal is, it's probably going to take me a couple of times to hit it. We're just talking a P22, a Carl Walther P22. So give me a couple shots. We'll see what happens. Let's go. Are you ready for this? Because if you're not ready, I'm not ready. And I'm ready. Here we go. I think we got it. I think we did. Straight up now, tell me. Almost on center. I mean, you tell me. Let's take it back in the shop. It went through the first layer of leather. So it made it through the first layer of leather. Made it through this layer of leather. Went through this layer of leather and did not make it through the entire wallet. So I mean, you know, they're built to last. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. They're built to last. So I mean, they're real simple. They're slimline. They're built out of 2 pieces of leather. They're going to last you forever. That is why I guarantee them for life. Reasonably speaking. Don't go jump in a frickin' river or a frickin' lake. Or don't go shoot it with a frickin' gun. Or don't go throw it in a frickin' volcano. Or don't go frickin' whatever you're thinking about doing with your Anvil Customs wallet and expect me to